Where's Zion's side?
Me.
Okay.
Can't press this button,
And
please.
and where's Daddy's side?
There.
Here. Okay.
Can't push this button, please. Push this button. Can't push this button.
What did I say? Green means go, right?
Yes, green means go.
Yes. Okay.
Ready?
Ready,
Steady.
steady.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Can I go on my other side?
Okay, I'll go over here. I'll do my workout here while you do your workout there.
I do my workout there.
Mm-hmm.
My side on this side.
Mm-hmm.
This is my side.
Okay.
This is my side.
I understand, sir.
And
How was your workout? Is it good?
yes, it's good.
You had a good workout. That's good. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm walking. Whoa, whoa. Be careful. See how you bumped your head. Be careful. Turn off. Go press the button to stop.